Today in Nido. We chose Tour D because apparently most people want Tour A or Tour C, and a girl that we met in Coron told us that there was almost no one at this tour, so I thought that's really amazing because I'm always thinking when I go to these kind of places, oh, it would be so nice and peaceful if there would be not so many people everywhere. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm curious to see how it will be. They treat us like babies and we have to wear life vests at all times. But actually sometimes it's pretty relaxing to wear it because you can lie on top of it and then you can just float around and don't have to swim all the time. So yeah, not too bad. Look at where we are standing and like how many people there are. Then look at it over there. It seems crazy over there. I don't know if you can see it, but I definitely think we chose the right tour.
Guess what she's doing. This bad girl. But not Quran.
Guys, these stones are just so beautiful. Also, you know what's the most beautiful? These empty seats everywhere. Cause we Tour D, I'm telling you. This is the right choice. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do, put on some sunscreen, but only on my face. I actually should get another one, but the thing is most sunscreens are toxic, so I have to do some research to find a good one. Like a lot of things that are inside, I can blend it in here. They are hormone disruptors, they like lessen your sperm count and stuff, so yeah, you should be careful with what you put on your skin because it's the largest organ of your body. We don't really think about it, but it's important to be careful what enters.
But other than that, like
yesterday a lot of pizza entered my body. Yeah, so I don't want to get wrinkles in my face, so let's go. Who found a drone? Yeah!
we're gonna have some drone footage here. Nice.
Guys, you don't know how much he's crying because he lost his drone. But every time there's people that have drones anyways. This one. So we just did a little photo shoot right here. Now I'm gonna go snorkeling, and it's truly so beautiful here. Like, I'm amazed. So we brought our own mask, which is a pro tip because otherwise you always have to pay every time you go for a rental. And also, I researched what to do to protect your hair from salt water because I don't want it to dry out and break off because I'm trying to grow it. And you can make it wet before you go into the water with normal water because apparently then it doesn't soak up the salt water as much. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Look who's there! Baby Snoopy! Now and Okay, we arrived somewhere, I don't know the name, and we're gonna rent a kayak.
The Katlo Laguni.
Guys, the water looks unreal for real. This is like the color back there. It's so
Baby.
Just one camera?
Yeah, only one camera. I don't want to break both cameras again.
You know, because you know how to do that. You're professional at breaking things. He broke my newly bought laptop, 2 cameras, and a drone so far.
Yeah, but it was not yours.
Luckily, I didn't pay for that shit.
Hey.
Just a drone, I didn't pay.
Yeah. But maybe in Indonesia.
I'm not gonna sponsor your hobby anymore.
Why? You're my wife.
Because
She's wifey material. Baby wifey?
Oh, I'm your baby wife.
Yeah. Baby booty.
Yeah, my booty looks good. He said.
Yeah, her booty looks so beautiful today. In this bikini, I have to show you guys a little bit as a taste, but not the whole taste.
Show them.
Okay, baby, button. Meow. Meow.
Later, I'm gonna show you my bikini again.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Lunchtime, the best time. Lunch.
Alright, let's
Baby, are you hungry? Always hungry.
We ate yesterday
Oh my god,
a
yesterday.
family pizza.
No,
and also-
first in the morning we ate 2 smoothie bowls and an omelette. Then for dinner we had pasta and a burger, and then we had another pasta and the huge family pizza. And then guess how much it was? 50 euros, everything. In Germany, yeah, you pay for just one meal 50 euros, at least more, 80 maybe.
That's a bargain.
Yeah, right.
Wow. That's cool.
Ay caramba, ay caramba.
The food is coming. Beautiful. My favorite part? Not so much? Not at all? Yes. Oh yeah. Baby,
What?
are you happy with the food and everything?
Yes.
This time it was enough, right?
Look at this here. Wow.
Food was really good and definitely enough this time because we're not too many people. And the coconut guy was the best because he was like, coconut is 100, and I was like, it's too much because this is the most I ever heard. And then he just suddenly came and put 2 coconuts on the table and he was like 200. I was like, what? We didn't even order them. But yeah, we had one and he had a coconut rum. And he's feeling pretty good right now, I guess. And the coconut with rum is called Coco Loco, of course. By the way, have you seen this amazing weather? I manifested it together with Nico. I'm so good with manifesting weather. I just always say, yeah, tomorrow it's gonna be sunny, and I'm so happy about it, and it happens always. I'm very happy about it.
Well, I went.
Last
4
stop,
months or 6
snorkeling.
months or 1 year.
Are you serious?
Yes. Make this more fun, and then
Bye, bitches! Okay, this is actually the last stop, and it's kayaking again. If you want I can never get over it. This is exactly what I imagined when I saw pictures of the Philippines. I was so happy because I never saw water this amazing in my life. And yeah, here in the back you can go through a little hole inside the small lagoon. So yeah, I really like to rent a kayak because it's different to be on the water and to explore instead of swimming all the time. So yeah, I think it's worth it. You have to pay 300, so that's like €5 extra. So yeah, we're coming back now. This is the port.
It is more fun.
And we are staying right here. This is the best pineapple of my life. So we forgot to tell you something very exciting that happened today. That I have pineapple here. So a dream of ours came true. So one time he was shitting. Where was it?
Yeah.
One time he was shitting in the water and he was like, "Baby, don't you have to go? Because I want to shit together with you." And then I was like, "No, it's hard to do that because you need to have to go exactly at the same time."
Yeah.
And then today it happened because there was no toilet even on the boat.
Yeah,
the toilets normally are that you just shit in the ocean, so we had to go on the beach and we were together. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, also amazing when the person step in the shit.
Nah, we buried it. It'll be fine, the ants will eat it or something.
Right.
So I'm gonna go take a shower, put some conditioner in this hair so it's nice and conditioned. What? And then I'm gonna put a mosquito net up there and I'm gonna edit a lot of vlogs for you guys. So subscribe to this channel for more amazing content.
Subscribe her, bitches.
After this amazing story, you definitely want to
Also subscribe me to my YouTube channel.
if you speak German. No, they're definitely gonna subscribe. That was very convincing.